Hi friends, welcome back to Anira Trends. Today here I am with this beautiful tassel earring tutorial, and if suppose you are new to my channel, you can just click on the red color subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Let's get started. These kind of nylon threads are widely available these days in market, which is used for making this kind of beautiful tangle free tassel earrings. So as you see, it's really thick and sturdy. This kind of thread is actually used in tassels these days. So first to begin, here I am adding this thread over a cardboard or kind of any card. I have made like 80 counts. So after 80 counts, here I am securing it with a knot at one end, and I am going to add my head pin or eye pin at one end and take it off from the card. So here I am adding this head pin and going to make a loop and hold this tassel. Here I am finishing this earring by adding a bead cap and a stud. You can also use just hanging also and trim off the tassel. So to complete this tassel, this is uneven now, that the thread is uneven now. Dip it in normal water so that all your thread strands will be straight, and you can just trim off the threads in same level. So this way you can just trim your tassels. So once it gets dried, it's ready to use. So if suppose you like this idea, you can just give it a like and share it with your friends. And if suppose you are new here, then you please subscribe to this channel for future tutorials and videos. Till then, take care friends. Bye bye.